Meet me at the London. If you find time, we can run one. Talk about some things we can undo. You just in the pen, I can find you. 6'1" on the money, 9'2". You just say the word and I run through. 2 texts, no reply, that's when I knew.
Yeah, circumnavigate the globe as the cash grows. Get a nigga whack like you get the grass mowed. I'm talking slick.
Oh, what is good, YouTube? It's your boy, a Freeform Movie, aka your mom's favorite dreadhead, man. Yes, sir. Your mom's favorite dreadhead. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. What this boy, a Lil Uzi, be talking about? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. But anyways, y'all. In today's video, we will be unboxing my brand new Ibuypower PC. I would say it took about 3 to 4 weeks, for me, just to get here and shit. Why? Because it is customized, so yeah. But with that being said, let's get straight into the video. Alright, so what we have here. Ooh. Hey, y'all, look at this. But it's a nice ass keyboard, but I can actually tell that it's a cheap brand because to be honest though, ain't no PC finna come with no goddamn keyboard. On God, ain't no PC finna come with no keyboard. So I mean, it's a cool keyboard. I mean, looks nice and shit. Let's see what else we got. Take it out this way. So here we got a cord. We got the wire. Let's plug into the PC. We got the RGB lighting, y'all. RGB lighting. Yes, sir. We got the remote. Here's a Gigabyte disc, but I don't think I'm gonna need it. Here's a little pamphlet. Let's see. Here's another disc, but I'm definitely not gonna need it. For sure. But yeah, it came with some cool stuff. Alright, yeah. Let me see what else is in here. Ooh. And it comes with a mouse. It comes with a mouse, y'all. There's a multicolor lighting. There's a Bluetooth E2. Now that's tough. Hey y'all, I'm super excited for this, man. I really am. I'm super excited. I mean, like, I've been waiting so long for this. I've been waiting so long, months. You know, I actually thought that I would never ever get to have a PC again. You feel me? But, alright. Try to take this bitch out. Alright, y'all, here we go. Is y'all boys ready? Y'all ready to see it, man? Ooh. Here we go. First of all, can I get a drum roll, please? Let's go. I like the way it is so far. Nice and glossy. Look at the front. Just look at the front, y'all. Ooh. Now, this is my favorite part. I'm about to put this over. always remember, you gotta wax that thing first. You hear that? Yes, sir. One more time. Yes, sir. There we go. Look at this. Nice and glossy. Now, what we going? I always gotta keep a screwdriver on me, because like most of these mounts get too hard to take off. Okay, I got the screws out. Now it's time to open this, but it is tempered glass, so what we gotta do is we just gotta be careful with it, y'all, because I'm not trying to break it. I'm really not trying to break it. Beautiful. Alright, I'm gonna put this right here so that I don't break it. Now, let's see what we have here, y'all. I guess this is to protect the inside. So I don't know. I'm slowly gonna take it out, you know. Guess I don't mess with nothing. I don't know if y'all boys can actually see the inside. VGA. That's weird. I didn't know that. But yeah, y'all. So, let's see. I will be turning it on for y'all. So, oops, my bad. But yeah, I'm definitely gonna try to turn it on for y'all. Hold on. Alright, so. I'm gonna So I'm gonna put it on for y'all, and yeah, we about to see the power cord to it. Power, her buttons right here. Yes, sir. Oh my God, chat. Ooh, so beautiful. It's quiet too. Nice and quiet, y'all. Yes, sir. Let's see. Oh, alright. So here's the remote, y'all. I can change colors. I already know. I fuck with the orange. Yes, sir. We got red, green. But let's see if we can do the multicolors. I'm keeping on auto. Nice. So yeah, y'all. If you feel me? So this is what it can actually do, you know. If you actually want to keep it on one color, you definitely can. If not, you know, if not, you can just keep switching it. Super dope, man. I actually love it, and I can't wait to start using it. I can't wait. I do have, I would say, I do have my monitors and stuff, but you know, I just gotta put them together, stuff like that. But yeah, man, I can't wait. Look at it. Just, oh my god, just, oh, I'm in love. Hey y'all, so here I have it, man. Feel me? This is my new PC. It is the i7 processor, you know. I was gonna get the i9, right? But I'm like, you know what? It's a little, feel me? Like it's a little too up there. So I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna get the i7. You know, it's the i7. I think 9700. I believe. I don't really know. I'm just sure if I'm like, I don't really know the specs like that, stuff like that. But yeah. Hopefully it runs well. You know, because I would say that with the last PC that I had, you know, like I'm like it was always crashing and it was always doing a lot of crazy stuff. So I'm like, but yeah. This is gonna be the end of the video, man. You feel me? If y'all boys like this video, make sure that y'all boys hit that like button, share, comment, and I really appreciate all the love and support that y'all boys been giving me on the last few videos. Thank you guys so much. I love y'all. Stay safe. Peace and love. I'm out.